Hi friends, welcome to downtown Fort Lauderdale. Let's go on a photo walk. And this is a night photo walk. This is definitely not something I do commonly on my channel. Oh, also it is quite windy. So, you know, if the audio suffers because of that, I do apologize. Let's see what we can get. I'm out with a Sony a7S Mark III and a 50mm 1.8. What I found about this lens is that it focuses rather slow, and I find that to be rather annoying. So maybe I'll upgrade at some point. All right, let's walk down to the river, shall we? Special thanks to my wife for dropping me off. One thing that's really nice about shooting at night is that the lighting completely changes from what you're gonna find in the daytime. And you're gonna end up with, instead of, you know, this giant ball in the sky lighting everything from various angles as the day goes on, you're gonna have a bunch of small points of light everywhere, and it makes for photos that you wouldn't be able to take in the daytime. Just trying to get him in various positions so I can make choices. His hair's nice. I wonder if I can hit this from an angle. Oh, I got a fishing pole. Fun. Skating with a fishing pole, as one does. Some nice light on these buildings over here. Alright, some nice light from this here restaurant. Let's focus a little bit closer so we can push it out of focus a bit. Alright. These boards are slippery. So I really like this, particularly at night. I think it's a really interesting area. I'd love it if those railings weren't on it, but you know, safety is fair. I say safety second, but you know how the city be. Whoa. Yeah, these boards are slippery. Yeah, those railings make it hard to get the person right in the middle underneath the light. Cool, okay, let's move along. So I'm gonna have to back up to here. Nice geometry. Oh, I think a train might be coming. The drawbridge is down. Oh, that might be why that boat turned around a second ago. Oh, there we go. Okay, what do I do with this? I'm ill prepared. Let's see, which way is it coming from? Move that way. Okay, so I think it's coming from that way. I'm gonna do this quick. Alright, we're gonna drop the shutter speed down. I don't know how fast it's going. Let's see. Oh wow, coming pretty quick. Okay. Wow. Definitely filled my buffer on that one. We have more train signals. Okay, there we go. I want to shoot it a bit more of a diagonal this time. Oh, okay. False alarm.
See a train?
Yeah, you're trying to live, right? So this is kind of a cool spot. You have these fellows on the wall here. I've always thought it would be interesting to put somebody down at the bottom there. Look at all these bicycles. Why are there so many bicycles in one room? I've seen these buildings up above me here, and they're making me want something like maybe like a 35 or 24 1.8 or 4. 8 would probably be fine. Because look at this catamaran. It's very large. There's a big TV in there. Looks like a nice living situation. Wow. Look at this monstrosity of a store. Wow. Holy crap. This is insane. Exposure. 50 is quite tight in here. Hello.
Hi, I'm just to take backpack off.
Backpack off? Oh, okay. All right, well, I'll go then. Thank you. That's all right. What's it, is it like a safety thing? Yeah, I understand that. You have a good night. A little bit of a traffic jam here. Wow. This might work, this might work. Yeah. Cool. Fella in the foreground there. So what are the pieces hanging down? Like, what are they made out of?
They're made of fabric, but they're stone-shaped pieces.
Okay. Oh, okay.
That's just shaped as a stone.
Okay. Okay. Very beautiful.
Yeah.
I'd like to. I don't think I could fit it in my apartment, but that would it would definitely work. Whoa. Interesting. James shoots storefronts. How are you?
Making it.
All right. That's better than not making it, right?
I just don't want like Italian. I don't want like
Much vibe. Very wow. I love this kind of faded yellow. Let's see if we can try not to blow out those lights as much as possible. Okay with the little point, but not too much. Oh, that's fun. Oh yeah, that's a feeling. Somebody had to coordinate all of this yellow, you know? Like the business owners are fighting with each other. I want my alleyway to be blue. This is an interesting scene up here. That light right in the middle. I like how it looks inside there. All right, cool. I just choked on some water. It's a common occurrence for me. As far as I can tell, there's a helipad up there, but I don't think I've ever seen a helicopter land on it. That's unfortunate. I'm trying to get hit by a car, but if I do, I hope I get it on camera. Oh boy. Yeah, I always feel like I'm gonna die when I walk along this road. All right, on that note, I'm out for tonight, you guys. Thanks for joining me.